Hi and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to make a simple intro for your YouTube channel. And with that, let me show you mine. Hi, I'm Scott Wilhite, the Record Yourself video coach. I am here to help heart-centered entrepreneurs who want to make a difference in the world, who want to grow their impact and their businesses through the power of internet video. So you've clicked on this, you're looking at it today because we're looking at how to make a simple intro for your YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to tell you 3 secrets that you'll want to know. I'm going to tell you one mistake that you absolutely don't want to make that I made that made me lose a lot of people who would normally be tuning in. And I also want to share with you one tool that I just discovered that you're absolutely going to love if you want to make your life simple, if you want to make it easy. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I got to tell you, right now is the perfect time to have a YouTube channel if you are a heart-centered entrepreneur and you want to make a difference in people's lives, because people are looking for connection. And if you show up and you share your message and people can look in your eyes and they can hear the tone of your voice and they can tell that you are authentic, that you are real, that you are genuine, then they're going to have that connection to you and they're going to say, you are the kind of person I want to do business with. So you then become someone they know, like, and trust. So I got to tell you, right now is the perfect time to have a YouTube channel. And yes, you're going to want to have an intro. You're going to want to have something that brands it so that everybody knows who you are and what you're about. You saw my intro, you saw a little bit about what I'm about. That was a very deliberate, very intentional creation to put that together with me talking to different people, you know, in kind of coaching situations, but also recording ourselves on that because we're in front of the camera. Anyway, all of that was very intentional to help people understand that, hey, I'm an expert in this field, and yes, I can help you with what you're doing too. So I want to tell you, okay, so I promised to share with you a mistake. So the first mistake that you just got to understand when you're creating your intro is don't make it too long. So I did this in the past, and I can't remember how long my thing was. I think it was like 22 seconds long. I really liked it, because it was fun, it was energetic, had all these things going, and I really wanted people to feel like, hey, this was a show. And what I'm talking about is previously I had another YouTube show. I think I did 135 episodes, daily episodes, before, kind of putting that on the pause. But one of the things that I found, and it was kind of late in doing this, was that I was losing a lot of people just right at the beginning of my videos, because they would watch and then they would get bored or something like that because I had too long of an intro. So if as you're making your channel, just make sure you don't have too long of an intro. If it's too long, they're gonna they lose interest, because what you always have to think about is what's in it for me. From your viewers' standpoint, they're always thinking, how can this help me? And if you make an intro that is all about you and is not telling them, what is in it for them, they're going to tune out. So make sure you have shorter is better. I generally think 8 to 12 seconds is kind of the ideal. I think mine is 10. Actually, I think mine might be 12. Anyway, regardless, you err on the side of shortness, because you want people to get to your content really quick. Okay, so I am going to share with you the 3 secrets that you're going to want to pay attention to on how to create a simple intro. The first thing is to add music. You want to add music that really matches with your brand identity, what it is that you are trying to convey to people. And I hope that I hope that you're making your channel so that everything is focused. It's about one thing. It's about a reward for your audience, for them to get. But the first thing is you want to add music. You want to have the music match what your tonality is. And you get to pick that. You get to choose what your tone is. You get to choose who your audience is. You get to choose what you're about. And a great place to look for music is a place called Envato Elements. And I'm going to go into Envato Elements in another episode. Because I have a special tool that I just discovered today that I'm super excited to share with you that may actually supersede what I just shared with you. But anyway, just keep that in mind. You want to have music that matches your message. And you can find that through Envato Elements because you can search like from tone, for mood. You know, a lot of times I will search for like inspiring music, or like there's a mood that I want people, a feeling that I want them to get, as they're watching some of my videos. So you can search through keywords, energetic, fun, upbeat, all these different things. Great place to look for music. Okay, now the second secret on creating your YouTube intro is you want it to be about your audience. You want it to show success. So what you want to be doing is you want them to kind of envision themselves as receiving whatever reward it is that you're going to teach them or that you're going to share with them. So if you noticed in my opening, I have me talking to a few people, kind of coaching them on camera. It's fun, it's energetic, we're having a great time, we're recording ourselves. So you can see, that like from this perspective, I try to take it from my audience's perspective. What is it that they want to feel? What is it that they want to know? What is it that they want to learn? And they want to see themselves in my shoes because, they want to record themselves. They want to get their message out. They want to help people. So the beginning for me, that's how I showed other people how they could do it. So with whatever you're teaching, whatever you're sharing, whatever your message is, remember you want to take it from your audience's point of view. What do they want to learn? Is it about healing? Is it about health? Is it about vitality? Is it about public speaking? All of these things you want to, again, put it in the perspective of your audience so that they can almost see themselves having the success that they came to your show to get. So that's the secret number 2, is really make it from your audience's perspective and help them kind of envision themselves finding the success that they want to get. Now, the third secret is you want to make it feel like a movement, like a show. You want to build up this energy because people want to be part of something greater than themselves. So if you can make your show, your channel, like a movement, you're going to be able to get a lot of followers. You're going to get them to like, to subscribe, to stick with you. And if you haven't already liked, subscribed, and ring the bell, you're going to want to do that right now because you know what this show's about now. It's about helping you get in front of the camera, helping you have your YouTube show, helping you have a lot of content that can help other people. So again, you want to have it feel like a movement and you want to have it feel like a show, like they want to tune in again, that they get great content this time in this episode, but what are they going to get in the future? Again, it gets that curiosity with them, building up inside them, and it gets them excited to go, okay, what else can I get? So that is creating a show, creating a movement, really making it something substantial. So that's part of the branding. So those are the 3 secrets, and now I promised you the tool. You are absolutely going to love this. I just discovered this today. Now, you've seen my show opening and all the things going on in there, and it was a lot of work to put that together. I created it in After Effects. You have to have programming knowledge. You have to have, anyway, it's a complicated sort of thing. Well, what I'm going to show you today is a tool that is so simple, anybody can use and make beautiful things. So with that, let's jump over to my computer. All right, so here we are on my computer and I am showing you a really cool tool. This is also by Envato. You can get great things through Envato. This is Place It by Envato. And in the show notes, I'm going to have a link so that you could just click that and go on over and learn about the resources here. So one of the things that they have is you can do intro templates. So you click here. It brings up a bunch of possibilities for you. And as you scroll over, you can kind of see what it's going to look like. Here's breaking news. Here's kind of some fun spirally things. Oh, that looks interesting. It depends on what your show is about. It depends on the kind of feeling that you want to have. But this gives you different options for how to, for a different show intro. So here's one that I looked at earlier. I thought, oh, this is really kind of fun. Some fun animation. So let's click on that. And it brings up this this tool basically where, boy, we can do a lot of cool things. So user text, well, first of all, let's see. Okay, so if I come over here and I hit upload image, I'm gonna grab my show title that I had created. So this is my logo kind of thing. So right here, here's my record yourself video coach. Okay, I think I want to crop into that, and just by grabbing it and moving it around, pretty simple. I hit crop. Okay, this looks kind of fun. Look, it spins around, has some fun animations there, your logo here. So let me upload an image. Let's see, I'll grab my show title. So I've already got my logo created. You can see this, you saw this at the beginning of our show. I'm gonna crop on in here. Let's see, maybe I wanna make this a little bit bigger. You can see just how easy this is. I mean, you don't have to have like any computer knowledge at all. I hit crop. Okay, and then now it's going to show me a preview of what this looks like. Loading the preview. Let's see. Okay, and then it'll play. I'll just click down here to hit play. It's going to take just a moment. This is the boring part. There's always boring parts in creating video, and often it's the rendering side. Okay, so let's see. It's got music going. I'm going to turn that off. Okay, so hey, that looks kind of cool. And then it brings my logo up nice and slow, and then it washes over. Hey, that's cool. It was 10 seconds long. Let's play that one more time. So you've got this wave that comes across. Record yourself. Oh, it has user text here. Okay, I could put something fun there. Got this cool animation. All right, so I don't want to download that because I want to put something in the user text here. So let's go exclamation point. It's going to load a preview here for us. Okay, so that looks pretty good. You know, maybe I don't want to do capitals, so maybe I'll just do lowercase. Let's Okay, so here we go. Look at that. So now this is all orange. Hey, that looks pretty good. It really stands out. Oh, that's nice. It's a 10-second long preview, and I have the sound down on it, but it has music that is licensable as well. And you can pick different music, you know, abstract, cheerful. Let's just try something. Cupcakes. Oh, I'm not going to do that. Let's try this one. Well, I don't know. Anyway, here is a great tool for you. I'm going to just keep the sound down, but a great tool for you so that you can create your own show intro, and it doesn't take very long. Oh, I still have the noise up. It doesn't take very long, doesn't take any sort of technical knowledge for you to have, but you can create your own show opening that can look really fun. This is 10 seconds long, right in the ideal length of time for you to create your brand. So pretty cool, right? Lots of resources so that you can create your own show intro. Super easy, super fast, without any technical knowledge. You can download it right from there, license it from them. It's an awesome way for you to have the tools that you need to create the brand that you want to have out there. And I hope that you stick with me. Hope you stick with me through this series, because I want to help you record yourself. I want you to record not just one video, but an entire library of videos, because the more prolific you can be in having content out there on the subject that you are an expert in, the more people are going to look to you as that expert, and they're going to seek you out. You're going to be able to grow your business and your influence, and that is the power of internet video. Thanks for joining me today. If you're a heart-centered person who wants to make a difference in the world, video is the way to do it. I'm happy to help you get started. Click right here to take my Quick Start Challenge, and you can get started today.